Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file 1065 form online, right? So this is very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to just go to Google and in the search bar you have to type www.irs.gov. So this is the official website and hit the enter button. Now here you will be inside IRS website, right? Now you have to log in into this, your ID, and you have to fill up this form. So this is called 1065 form, right? So as you can see here, there are two or three schedules here. As you can see here, this is a schedule 1, this is a schedule B, and this is a schedule B and continued, and right, so there are only two schedule A and B. So here it's very important that first of all they have to fill up all these partnership details such as name, address, EIN means employer identification number. You have to also give your gross receipts, sales and other income, operating expense, salaries and other deductions, name, address and SSNs of all partners, right? Now here you have to also fill up some kind of additional forms if there is a requirement, such as schedule K1 form 4562, right? That is for depreciation and amortization. Now here in the schedule B, you will find the another option that you need to select a tax preparation software that support form 1065 e-filing, right? So there are some examples, for example, Turbo Tax Business or Tax Act and H&R Block. You have to create an account and then you have to log in and you have to start filling up the form. So here you have to bring a new tax return of the partnership in the tax information, fill in basic details such as name, address and EIN, enter all the income and expense, fill out schedule B, information such as schedule K, partners distribution shares item and other relevant schedules, right? Provide each partner details and the shares of income deduction credit in schedule K1. Once everything is formed, you have to check for errors, verify the information, validate the entries. Once it's done, you have to sign form. Use the electronic signature, or you can also use your original signature here. Follow the prompt. So basically they will ask you to verify, are you sure you want to fill up this, continue this, fill up the form. You have to just click on the yes. Wait for confirmation that IRS have received your form 1065. Most software will provide an email or notification once it got accepted. So this is how you can do it. For, by the way, there are some important updates. The deadline is due by March 15 for the calendar year partnership, right? If you need an extension, more time, file form 7004 for an automatic 6-month extension, right? So this is what, if you don't have any idea, then of course go for a consultation. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.